Hey guys, Omar here, and today we are gonna repair your, well, my Fuji X-T20 thumb grip. So I completely lost the thumb grip, so I needed a replacement part. If you need a replacement part or any replacement parts, you can contact Fujifilm Repair. Fujifilm North America is actually based out of New Jersey, where I'm from, but I didn't need to take a drive. They actually sent the rubber piece in this little first class package. First class. And this is what the replacement rubber piece looks like. It's got a little bit of adhesive tape and a nice new rubber pleather. Now the part came with no instructions, so although this is kind of a how-to, I'm wondering how to. All right, here's some of the stuff you need. First, you need some acetone. Acetone is nail polish remover, and it should get rid of the excess glue. You also need a duck. This is a little brush we had when my son was born. You could use a toothbrush or anything. This is kind of, in my, again, there were no instructions, in my mind, to rub off the excess glue particles. I got a couple of like cotton pads. I got a microfiber cloth. So let's do this. All right, so let's get rid of the excess glue on there. Let's take some of this acetone and put it right on there using this. Let's see if that gets rid of the glue. I don't know why I got the Q-tips. Let's see, maybe that looks more professional. Okay, it turns out also using your nail and scraping the old glue after putting the acetone on there, that works as well. Using a combination of the acetone, my nail, I was able to remove most of the excess glue and adhesive that was there. But that's kind of your goal, is to try to make a nice clean surface for the new grip. And we will now put it on. Seems like this peels off and your adhesive is now ready to push on. So let's do that. Here we go, little rubber piece. Go to your home. Okay, push, 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 push. All right, gave it a nice firm tug. It fits perfect, of course, because it's for the camera. And I've got my grip back. Thumb grip completely fixed. Now you know if you are missing the thumb grip or any little small part, you can contact Fujifilm. They were super friendly on the phone. And in a day, they shipped me the little part. And you saw how easy it was to put on, and there you have it. Quick, nice little happy ending. All right, I'll see you guys next time.